Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting tools and exposing the lock. This saves time. Unlock and slide the door to the center, then lift up about 1/2 inch to release it from the bottom track and tilt the top outward. Place the door on a soft surface so you can reach the lock comfortably. Once done, visually inspect the lock body, latch, and striker plate to see if screws are loose, metal bent, or dirt is gumming the mechanism. With the door removed, focus on the lock body itself. Tighten all screws and swap any stripped fasteners for properly sized replacements because a loose lock shifts under load. If the latch misses the striker, gently bend the striker plate or add thin shims until alignment is correct. This ensures smooth engagement. Clean out dirt, then spray a light silicone lubricant into moving parts so the latch slides freely. Make sure to cycle the mechanism several times to seat the new alignment. Reinstall by lifting the top into the upper track first, then lowering the bottom onto the lower track. This keeps alignment stable. Slide the door fully closed and lock it, then perform 10 to 15 open/close cycles while watching engagement. Make small final tweaks to screws or shims as needed. If the lock still sticks or skips, swap the latch cylinder or fit a new striker plate. This often fixes wear-related failures. If issues continue, double-check for warped tracks or rollers causing misalignment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.